Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Tuesday, November 21, 2023. It's almost Thanksgiving, and the owners of this boat have something to be thankful for. This is our 1955 Penn Captivator Aristocrat. She's ready to go home, except for the final cleanup, and we're still waiting on the upholstery, but it'll be here in a week or so. So I'm going to hand it off to Joe to talk about the transformation of this Captivator.
Yeah, so if you remember in the beginning on our intake video, the bottom had this kind of milk house paint, and it was actually painted up to where the bright work is, where this one was all painted, the stem was painted, and it really didn't have any varnish on it. It was more or less just stain at that point. So we went through, stripped it from top to bottom, resealed the bottom, and applied several coats of CPES on top of the Tie-Coat primer, which that received about, I think, 4 coats, and then it had another 4 coats of the Easy Epoxy, because this boat is just used for in use and then taken right back out. It does not stay in the water. So the owners are aware of that, and then we went through, re-stained and sealed all the decks, and she received a grand total of 19 coats of flagship varnish with mahogany Sikaflex paved into all the seams. All the chrome work we had replated. That was down in Mickey Dupuis, and we got it all buffed and ready to go. The only thing left that we need to do is get the interior, like Mike said, and she'll be ready to go home to her owners again.
And the one other decision hanging fire is that she arrives with this 35 horsepower Evinrude Lark hanging off her transom. The engine is not in great shape. Let's be kind to the engine. It needs most likely a total rebuild. So we are still in conversation with the boat's owners to determine what goes back home. Shall we put another Evinrude Lark, same vintage, on the boat? Shall we leave that engine with the boat? The owner's, I believe, son is pretty experienced rebuilding outboard engines. So that decision is yet to be made. You'll notice that the interior hull sides haven't all been turned into spiffy, shiny, new cedar, and that's on purpose. This is a 1955 boat. That cedar's been there for, let's see, 45, 65, 68 years. And we used Sick and Seatall Marine after sanding and cleaning it to replace the sheen without taking the patina and the age away. So soon she'll be on her way home, and next spring in the water. That's our update on our 1955 Penn Captivator Aristocrat. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.